Murray?
Murray?
Hi, Murray. Are you going to say hi to Murray? Pet Murray? Say hi. Pet the kitty cat. Oh, so nice.
With his head.
Careful. Pet his bum. You can touch his back.
Did you get the newspaper delivered to you?
Nana! No, we went and bought it.
Why? What do I need with this little guy?
Pictures? Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, let's go see Murray. Say hi, Murray.
Hi.
What's the kitty cat's name?
Pictures.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.